Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to be showing you guys how I laminated and cut the bookmark that I previously made in Canva. So you're going to need your double-sided photo paper. You're going to need your laminate sheets to laminate the bookmark. And you're also going to need your corner puncher. That's this little thing right here, your corner puncher. And you're going to need your trimmer, your cutter to cut the bookmarks with. So this is what I'm working with now. You're also going to need your laminator. So guys, if you hear any noise in the background, please excuse it. I do have children, that come in and out of my room, and then I have background from people outside. Okay, so right now I'm going to turn the laminator on so it can warm up. So you want to let it warm up for about 5 minutes or so you can make sure it's hot enough. So you're going to turn it on to make sure it's hot enough. You're going to get your bookmarks that you printed off of your Epson EcoTank printer and just set those to the side while you're waiting on your laminator to warm up. Okay, so I'm just waiting on it to warm up now. I wait about 5 minutes for it to warm up. Okay, so you're going to get your laminate sheets and you're going to open it up and you're going to get your bookmark that you want to laminate, your bookmarks. Put that in the inside and make sure it's, no dust or debris or anything inside of it. Because, all that show up in the bookmark once it's laminated, but make sure you don't have any dust or debris inside of it. Make sure you smooth it out so there's no creases or wrinkles or anything in it. Okay. Okay, so I'm just touching to see, make sure the laminator is hot enough. So I'm going to make sure there's nothing on there, and I'm going to run it through the laminator. Maybe twice. I'll probably run it through the laminator twice just to make sure, it's sealed properly. And guys, just excuse, this is me. These are my first videos that I'm making, and I'm not, I'm not a professional at this. I haven't got editing down really well, so I'm just trying to do what I know how to do. So please excuse any silence or any lapse that you hear while I'm doing this. I really don't talk a lot, but I'm gonna, try to make sure you guys understand what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm going to run it through one more time just to make sure that it's sealed and it's, not going to be coming apart once I cut it. And I'm really going to try to get better angles. I'm just trying to film everything I do, and I'm not really good at this, content creating things. So I'm trying, guys. Just bear with me. I'm going to get better angles. I ordered some more things that I think would help me get better angles and better quality so you guys can really see what I'm doing instead of this little corner shot that I have here. I'm so sorry. Okay, so once you get it laminated, you do want to let it cool off for about 3 minutes. You want to let it cool so you know that it doesn't separate when you cut it. So just let it cool off for about 3 to 5 minutes. All right, so I let it cool off. I'm gonna turn the laminator off or on, back on, because I'm gonna run it through again. So with this here, this is my first time cutting it, so I'm trying to make sure I get it accurate on my cuts. So I'm just trying to see if I can see a shadow or something that's going to give me the right edge that I need to cut on. And I'm just going to slice it down. I think I'm going to cut the try to cut some of the excess off first, and then I'll start cutting it closer to where the bookmark begins. All right, let's see. We can get it as close as possible. That's why I did it the 6.2. So in case I made a mistake, you know, I still have a little room to, if I had to cut off a little extra, it'll be okay. And we'll still have the accurate size of the bookmark. Try not to be scared cutting this. All right. So you want to try to get it as close as you can to where the line is, where you're cutting the bookmark at. Without, you know, cutting into the actual bookmark. That's why I put that space in between, just so I can have somewhere where if I had needed to cut a little bit more, it'd be okay. I'm gonna get better at this, guys. Just, you know, just bear with me. I'm taking my time doing this. I'm not trying to rush through making, you know, products, and I want them to be quality products. I just don't want to make something and it's not, you know, it looks messy. All right, we almost done. Cut that little piece off and then get the other little corner there. I'm gonna turn this around. Yeah, let me turn it around so I'll make sure I get an accurate cut. All right, we got the bookmarks cut. We got them cut. See how they look. Make sure you put that down. You don't want to mistakenly cut yourself or anything. Okay, that's what they're looking at like right now. I'm gonna run them through the laminator a couple more times just to make sure they're sealed all the way. and they're not going to be coming apart. So I'm just going to run it through the laminator a couple more times. And this laminator gets really hot. It gets really hot. Run it through one more time. One more time. Run them through. But if you guys have any ideas of what I could do, you see any mistakes that I made, please just leave a comment down below. I appreciate any feedback, any feedback, any feedback. Because, like I said, I'm new to doing this. I'm just trying to get something started. I'm trying to get out of my comfort zone of, being afraid that nobody's going to like the things that I do. So hopefully someone likes my designs and I'm able to, give you guys what you're looking for as far as some cute kawaii stationery products. All right, so I'm going to let these cool off for about 3 minutes because they're hot. So I'm going to let them cool off before I get the corner puncher and punch the, no, do the corners to get the rounded corner on them. All right, so I let them cool off. I'm gonna use the 7. I think it's the 7 millimeter one on the corner punch. Oh, I'm just checking to make sure they're not separating at all. So I'm gonna punch all the corners, off. And sometimes this thing, it's like I don't know if I be putting it in there correctly or what, but it jams or something and it don't want to cut through. I don't know. This is a new one, so I don't know why it's doing that, but I don't know if I have to sharpen it already, but I shouldn't have because it's new. But I'm just gonna punch all the, get all the corners off. Okay, so I did all the corners. Okay, so this is what we looking like right now. It's my first set of bookmarks. I think I did a good job. And like I said, this is practice for me. I'm going to keep practicing doing this. And my next goal is to do the notepads, the notepads, and the journals. So I'm going to do that next. But this is my bookmarks for right now. And I'm going to, keep practicing to make sure I know what I'm doing. All right.